In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage data and cache in the Slack app to help free up storage and improve the app's performance. Let's get started. First, open the Slack app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Preferences. Scroll down and Debug and Reset Cache. Here, you'll find options to manage how Slack stores data on your device. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that Slack has saved. This won't delete your messages, files, or workspace data. After clearing the cache, Slack may take a little longer to load content the next time you open certain conversations, as it rebuilds the cache data. Managing your data and cache regularly can help free up storage space and keep the Slack app running smoothly. That's it. Now you know how to manage data and cache in the Slack app. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.